Hello everybody, in this video we are going to do unboxing of Hisense Smart TV. In the box we will find TV, its holders and remote control, which is very handy because at the bottom you have two buttons for Netflix and YouTube, which allows you to access the most famous platforms with only one touch. You can mount the TV also on the wall, but I prefer it to sit on the TV desk stand. Setting up the TV is self-explanatory and within 5 minutes you are ready to use the TV. For the local channels you will need satellite cable, but you can use the TV without it if you want to watch videos only over the internet. The look of the TV is really nice with good quality finishes, as you can see here. Dimensions of TV are ideal for smaller room, and Full HD resolution LED display will give amazing contrast and details. For the sound, this TV is equipped with two 10-watt speakers that supports Dolby Digital. Now let's for a moment appreciate the beauty of this BMW V. You can see the output inputs here, but the most important are USB, HDMI, LAN and headphone jack. I'm not sure about which operating system Hisense is using, but I can say that it is not very quick, especially when loading YouTube and Netflix for the first time. Also, during the usage, responsiveness of fast-forward buttons could be improved for speed. Other than that, searching and navigating is pretty easy. Hello everybody! For the new year I have prepared for you a new stylish design smart wallet. I like this TV firstly because of its price, which was around $250, which is an excellent deal for the smart TV with built-in Wi-Fi. Like I said, Hisense is not a common brand, but you will be surprised that they have more than 40 subsidiary companies like Gorenje, Sharp and famous Toshiba, which convinced me to go for this 40 inches LED smart TV. Let me know in the comments below what do you think about this TV and would you consider buying Hisense products. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day. May peace be upon you. Assalamu alaikum.